Today you're going to do a little bit of a debate. You have an article here to read, and then after reading the article, you're going to give 3 reasons why cloning the mammoth that we're going to read about is a good idea, and you're going to give 3 reasons why people might think cloning the mammoth is not a good idea, and then you're going to tell your opinion of whether you think cloning the mammoth is a good idea or not. So you're going to click on the PowerPoint here, and it's going to pull up the reading material, the article about the mammoth. And again, remember, if you need to, you can always zoom in so you can read it better. You do it that way, or you could go edit the present, or you'll need to click edit presentation, edit in browser. That way you can add your answers to the text boxes. So once that pulls up and you can edit in there, again, remember this is where you can go view. You may have like a drop down arrow like this. Click view. You can click zoom. I always do about 100% is usually good for me. And then you can see from here. So it says the return of the mammoth. Scientists plan to bring back an extinct animal. Good idea or disaster? Imagine being face to face with a woolly mammoth. It would be quite a sight. Scientists believe it would tower at 11 feet tall. So to give you an idea, most people's ceilings are about 8 feet tall. So the mammoth would tower way over the typical ceilings. The woolly mammoth would have a sloped back, a long, powerful trunk, and sharp, curved tusks that stretched up to 10 feet. Its thick hair would be up to 3 feet long. It would weigh 6 tons, about as much as a bus. You probably have never seen a furry elephant before. Actually, you definitely haven't. The species has been extinct for thousands of years. But a few years from now, you might be able to see a woolly mammoth for yourself. Scientists believe they have the technology to recreate one. A team of South Korean and Russian scientists plan to clone a woolly mammoth. How will they do it? Several woolly mammoth bodies have already been discovered in Siberia, an icy region in Russia. The scientists plan to take cells from these frozen mammoths. In a laboratory, they'll use them to create a new cluster of cells called an embryo. The embryo would be placed into the womb of a living elephant. The elephant then would give birth to a baby woolly mammoth. The scientists believe the whole process will take 5 years. Many scientists and animal lovers can't wait. It will be so exciting, they think, to be able to bring back to life a creature that has been extinct for thousands, and then we'll scroll to the next page. For thousands of years, people would travel from around the world for the chance to see a woolly mammoth. By observing the way the creature looks and acts, scientists might make brand new discoveries about the history of animal life. But now a big challenge. Other experts aren't so sure about the woolly mammoth project. One big question is what to do with a mammoth. Earth has changed in the thousands of years since these animals roamed the planet. Where would the creature live? And would it be able to survive in today's climate? Then there's the cost. Some believe that the money being spent on the experiment could be better spent on other important scientific projects, such as fighting disease. But the South Korean and Russian scientists are sticking to their plan. They admit they have a big challenge ahead. There's no guarantee that they will succeed, but they're hopeful. Besides, scientists in South Korea have already cloned dogs, coyotes, a cat, a pig, and a cow. Why not a mammoth? Now we're coming down here, and the question is, what do you think? Is cloning a woolly mammoth a good idea? So first you're going to go back to the article, so everything we just read, and find information to support each side. And you're going to write the information here. So why would some people say, yes, we should clone it? So you'll click in the text box, put your answer, and you're going to find 3 reasons why someone might say, yes, we should clone it. And then you're going to do the same thing, and you're going to put 3 reasons why someone would say, no, we shouldn't clone it. And you're going to go back and use the article to help you. And then once you do that, you're going to put answers for both sides. So all these text boxes need to be filled out. Then you're going to give your opinion. Here's where you choose which side you are on. So you're going to state your opinion in one sentence below. So you're going to say, yes, I think we should clone the mammoth because, and then you give your reasons if you think so. Or, no, I don't think we should clone the mammoth, and then give your reasons why. Once you have all 7 answers, 3 for the yes, 3 for the no, and then your opinion, you'll click close, and then you'll click turn it in. If you have any questions, send me a message on Teams, send me an email, or send me a message on Remind.